Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I'd like to share with you an unboxing and first look of the new Siege of Terra series of books. This will be the book number 7, Echoes of Eternity. This is the limited edition from Games Workshop. So let's open up the box. So I also ordered one brush from the new STC series. This is a size small base brush. Okay, here's the book itself. It comes with the standard black library packaging. So outer shell, and it is the Siege of Terra Echoes of Eternity, Horus Heresy. So this is the book 7, from what I expect to be a 8-book series. Who knows, maybe they will include some kind of novella and so on, because there are also 2 novellas, if I'm not mistaken, in the series. So usually these books are really large, more than around 500 pages. The novellas are a little bit shorter. So once again we have a beautiful leather bound, or should I say a faux leather bound cover with a really nice brown tone. We have a metal emblem or chapter seal or chapter mark, and here's the quick synopsis. So they will tear down the Eternity Gate and burn the Sanctum Imperialis to the ground. They had the numbers, the defenders did not, so let it be spoken, so let it be done. Terra will soon be theirs. So we are getting forward into the siege by the book 7. The loyalists are severely undermanned and underpowered. The book is signed by the author, Boden. There are only 2,500 pieces made. By the release, there was also available the hardbook version, a hardbook or hardcover version, which was then the front cover is this picture of Sanguinius bravely defending the Eternity Gate. Okay, here are all the previous novellas. So book 1, book 2, book 3, book 5, book 6, and there's also Fury Magnus and Sons of Selenar, which are the 2 novellas in this series. And obviously the 54 previous books plus other novellas and audio dramas. So it's Time of a Legend, and of course we are getting a map. Sanctum Imperialis, which is the inner part of the Imperial Palace, where obviously the Emperor sits on his golden throne. So let me open up. I hope you can see this. So let's see. So there is the Sanctum Imperialis, the Eternity Gate in front. The Bab Bastion, where Rogaldorn is and fighting still. Yeah. I'm really looking forward to a full-size map of this one. Okay, let's see, we have few characters. And the part one. So there's a nice brown bookkeeper. And let's see, we have also a few illustrations. Yeah. Here's a beautiful picture of Sanguinius, probably getting ready. Imperial Fist, probably a captain, giving him a spear. Yeah. And let's see. How many pages we have here? So we have 522 pages and some few acknowledgements. And once again, the nice picture of the Eternity Gate and Sanguinius itself. So, yeah, let me read you a little bit about what you can find in the book. So, the story goes, the walls have fallen, the defenders are broken, the inner palace is in ruins. The Warmaster, Horus of course, Horus's horde advances through the fire and ash of Terra's dying breaths, forcing the loyalists back to the Delphic Battlement, the very walls of the Sanctum Imperialis. Angron, Primarch of the World Eaters and Herald of Horus, has achieved immortality through annihilation. Now he leads the armies of the damned in a wrathful tide, destroying all before them as the warp brings its poisonous corruption on Terra's very soil. For the Emperor's beleaguered forces, the end has come. The Khan lies on the edge of death. Rogaldorn is encircled, fighting his own war in Bab Bastion. Gilliman, the Primarch of the Ultimates, will not reach there in time. Without his brothers, Sanguinius, the Angel of Ninth Legion, waits on the final battlement, hoping to rally a desperate band of defenders and refugees for one last stand. So yeah, this book is and will be epic. We are getting close to the end of the Siege of Terra series, and I'm looking forward. Maybe it will take them probably maybe a year, as far the releases are far in between. So the previous one, the Warhawk, was released in November, if I'm not mistaken, last year. So maybe we will see another book in another 7 maybe to 8 months. So who knows? Maybe one novella in between. Okay. So this was the unboxing first look of the Siege of Terra Book 7, Echoes of Eternity. This was the limited edition by Games Workshop. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you are not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes other stuff regarding my other hobbies, so Warhammer, for example. And for those of you who were interested, the unboxing knife was the Imperial Tento by Dark Edge Knives. Custom knife maker Pavel Jarbica, made in Slovakia. Okay, that being said, wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon.